What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make $199 for less than 10 minutes of work on a recurring basis? If so, stay with me because I'm going to show you how it's done in my review of Instant Local Landing Pages 2. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online. And you basically have to want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, you got to pay attention. This is absolutely not, this is ridiculous. Come on, pay attention. He never learns, never ever pays attention. He's so annoying. If he bothered to pay attention, he would know what's good and what's not. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like the product, I'll give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, she really is a sweetheart. I love Liz. She says the same thing every single day, but I absolutely love her. She's a wonderful person. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so I want to start out by showing this to you. This is my PayPal. You can see this is live. I don't want to show you this, so I'm blurring it because I'm not showing you what the name of my client is. I don't want you to go and try to poach them. But you can see this was paid to me on August 13th. I just sent out the latest invoice to these people. I make $199 per month, and I spend less than 10 minutes to do it per month. Not per day, not per week, per month. Now, Alexa decided to give me a little timer. Anyway, so how does this work? What do you have to do in order to do this? Well, okay, let me give you a little bit of background. Before I got into affiliate marketing, before I became a product launcher, I built websites, and I also did videos. Now, a lot of people know me because of Local Video Jackpot. I showed you how I was able to sell videos. But the other thing I've been doing is building websites. Now, I always built my websites from scratch. I never built them using a pre-made template, but you can take a look over here. This is Instant Local Landing Pages 2. Okay, these are pre-built websites, and I'm going to show you a few samples of them. You can get them for $10, less than $10. Okay, and you get 40 of these landing pages done for you, complete, done for you landing pages. I'm going to show you what they look like in just a minute. You're also going to get a lead magnet that you can give away for free in order to attract more customers, all kinds of good stuff like this, and it's all done for you. It's complete, total done for you. It's truly amazing stuff, and they just give it to you for next to nothing, basically. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of these landing pages. You can see the kind of numbers of jobs that have been being done. You can sell these for $50 on Fiverr and make 5 times your money from one sale, literally. So let's take a look at some of these landing pages, see what they actually look like. So here's one example: professional speaker. Okay, got some nice animations, some nice graphics. All right. And it's all done for you. All you have to do is install this. It takes you about 5 or 10 minutes to install it, and you can easily sell these things for hundreds of dollars a piece. All right. It's the easiest money you can make. You just install these things, customize it, and it takes a few minutes to install them for your customers. It's very, very easy stuff to do. People love these things, and you can make a ton of money selling these things. Here's another one that I pulled up, a golf coach. Okay, again, same concept. All right, very, very easy to install this stuff. All right, now, here's what's really cool. I actually Uh, I've sold websites similar to this. I charge $1,400 to build a custom website. If it's one that's off of a template, I usually charge about $200 or $300, okay, to install it, and customers happily pay that kind of money. But here's the real kicker: I have a back end thing that I do, which actually nets me $199 per month per customer, and it takes me less than 10 minutes of work. And it doesn't cost anything to do this. Like literally, you don't have to have a website, you don't have to have anything. You literally use completely free tools to do this, and it takes 10 minutes to do. Less than 10 minutes. Okay, I log into the website about once a week for about 60 to 90 seconds, and that's all I do in order to earn $199 while also sending out an invoice. So it's like super simple stuff.
It really be that simple?
Yeah, it really is that simple. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but it works. The local is one of the best ways to make money these days because it's so hard to make money doing other stuff as an affiliate simply because of the fact that there's so much competition. But local, there's still a ton of money to be made. Okay, it is one of the easiest ways I've ever found for making money online. This is how I personally make a lot of my own income. I do a lot of service stuff and I make a ton of money doing it, and I don't have to put in a lot of work. Okay, you could outsource this to a VA if you wanted to, but it's literally 10 minutes of work or less per month for $199. Imagine that. You go ahead and you get 10 customers paying you $199 per month. Okay, 10 customers paying $199 per month. You take less than 10 minutes per month to do that. Okay, so you're talking what, under 2 hours of work per month to earn 2 grand. There is nothing that you're going to do that's going to make you that kind of money so quickly, so fast. This works. Okay. And that's on top of the fact that you're also charging them for installing their websites to begin with. So it's really cool stuff. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm the only one who's going to show you how to do it. This is amazing stuff. And I'm going to give you a whole bunch of other bonuses as well. So I'm going to give you a ton of bonuses. If you want to see some more bonuses, you can get onto my email list. I'll leave a link down below in order to get onto my email list. But the bottom line is, you're going to see so many bonuses coming off of this thing. It is insane for a product that costs $9.97. But I really do want to help you out. I want you to succeed online, and this is my way of doing it. But there you go. Yes, I'm going to give it my hat to the Pack It's a great little product. Okay, this is insane stuff that you can really make a ton of money doing this stuff. It is super, super, super easy to do this, and you can make $109 recurring every month. Go ahead and grab this. You're going to love it.